Look, I did it. See? Can you see that? Drop shadow. So I thought I would come on here. If you saw my last video, you know that I was having an issue. And that's up there, or up there, or over there. There we go. It's over there. And I thought I would come on and show you real quick what the problem was. So if anybody else has this issue, they can figure it out. So let's get to it. So here I am in Tinkercad. My problem was I was trying to create the drop shadow before I added it to the model, to the whole thing. So what I need to do is, I got several copies of this. I need 3. I need 3 copies of this guy. I needed to take this guy and make him first. So create that one as a whole, align it, hit the L or hit the button, top, bam, bam, we're aligned. Now I need to move it. So I need to just select my hole, and I want to go, and you know, this drop shadow could have been slightly bigger on my final print, so I'm going to set to 0.25 instead of 1 millimeter. Actually, I could do 0.5. And I'm going to go to the left. That's half, 1.5. And then I'm going to go down half, 1.5. So 3. Now I'm going to take that hole, and it needs to be part of the blue. So we're going to group that. Now we got that one. We're going to grab another one of these guys, and we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to align it to the blue over here, put it on top, move it over here, move it over here. Now I need to move it again. So I need to grab my hole. This is the fun part. Oh, I didn't make it a hole. Okay, make it a hole. And now I need to move it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left 3, down 3. And then this hole needs to come out of the lightning strike. So I'm going to combine those. And then we're going to take this one and we're going to throw it in here. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Align to the dark blue, put it on the top, bam, bam. And then we need to select it, left 3, down 3. Perfect alignment right there. This is not grouped with anything. Now on the white, I need 4 copies of this because it needs to cut out of the dark blue, the turquoise, the black, and then have my final layer. So I need 4 of these. So I'm going to hit Control D. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the first one, make it a hole. I'm going to take that hole and I'm going to align it to the blue on top. But this time I'm not going to move it. I'm going to leave it right where it sits. So I'm going to grab that hole. This is a hard part because it likes to grab the black underneath. Just scroll away and I can probably, I'm just going to keep clicking until I get my freaking hole. That's not the hole. There's the hole. And I'm going to select the blue and group those. All right. We're going to take my next one and I'm going to make this one a hole. Select the blue, same thing. We're going to align to the blue, put it on top, dot, dot. This time, this hole, I got to get the hole, needs to be onto the turquoise. So we group those. And now we're good there. I'm going to grab the next one. Same exact thing. Align it to the dark blue. On the top. In the center. Make it a hole. Whoops. Select just that one. Make it a hole. No. You're not. There we go. Select just that one. And make it a hole. And this hole needs to be out of the black. So I'm just going to just click this out black outline right here. And we're going to group them. And if you look, we've got our black. We've got all of our holes. I'm going to take this final one, this guy right here, Select the blue, align to the blue, on top, bam, bam, and we're done. We are done. It's awesome. It works. It printed beautifully. The camera makes it look a little backwards. But look at that. It printed beautifully. I've got drop shadows. Should have been a little bit wider, but you know, I'm kind of guessing that this is going to be not quite fit right, so I'm going to be reprinting it for him. But I'll have to wait till it gets to Florida to find out. But here you go, Mingo. There's your logo. Enjoy.